So, this is the second part. My name is Dennis Caldeira and I'm disassembling my PS3. I just bought a screwdriving set with 45 pieces. Now I think I can get my PS3 troubleshot. I just took off this screw from the side and now I can get this faceplate off just like that. Beautiful. Now we have several screws to take them off. It is another type of screwdriver I'm figuring out. Just a simple Phillips. Yeah. Look at the size of the screw. One. This is the second. Second one. Third one. Fourth. All the same size at this moment. It is good to use a magnetic point, a magnetic holder. That was the fifth, and we have two more, so we have at all 7 screws. Good. Now I have to take it carefully because there are some cables connected